What if I told you that a simple drop of oil in your belly button could fix your digestion, give you glowing skin, and even help balance your hormones? Sounds unbelievable, right? But ancient Ayurvedic wisdom says it's not only possible, it's been practiced for thousands of years. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and you'll learn how this simple 21-day ritual can unlock your body's natural healing potential. No expensive supplements, no complex diets, just pure natural oil in your belly button. Section 1. Why skin, digestion, and hormones may be off balance. Let me ask you, do you often feel bloated after meals, even when you eat healthy? Are you dealing with dry, dull skin that no moisturizer seems to fix? Do your moods swing unpredictably? Or is your menstrual cycle irregular? If so, you're not alone, and the solution might be simpler than you think. Most of us focus on what we eat, but forget how our body absorbs it. We treat skin and hormonal issues from the outside, when the real key might be deeper, right in the center of your body, your navel. Section 2, the hidden power of the navel. Your navel isn't just a leftover from birth, it's a secret control center. In Ayurveda, it's called the Nabhi, believed to be the hub of 72,000 energy channels in the body. Your digestion, skin, and hormonal balance all connect here. Imagine applying a small daily drop of oil to your belly button, awakening these pathways and sending nourishment straight to where your body needs it most. Section 3, the 21-day navel oiling method, step by step. Let's dive into how to actually do it. Step 1, choose your oil. Think of oils as targeted natural medicine. Sesame oil for digestion, bloating, and dryness. Coconut oil for acne, inflammation, and cooling pitta. Ashwagandha oil for stress, hormone balance, and energy. Manjishta oil for glowing skin, detox, and pigmentation. Pick one that aligns with your needs. Step 2, the ritual. Every morning, or before bed, warm a tablespoon of your chosen oil. Lie down and place 3 to 5 drops directly into your belly button. Massage gently in a clockwise motion for 1 to 2 minutes. Then relax for 5 and 10 minutes. Breathe deeply. Let the oil absorb and nourish your body from the center outward. Repeat this daily for 21 days. Section 4, what you'll notice in 7, 14, and 21 days. You might be thinking, can oiling my belly button really make a difference? By day 7, your digestion may feel lighter with less bloating and discomfort. Skin might already start to feel softer and more hydrated. By day 14, you could feel more emotionally grounded, calmer energy, less stress, and deeper sleep. By day 21, the shift can be profound. Your cycle may become more regular. Your skin can develop a healthy glow. Your gut might feel genuinely settled and happy. Don't just take my word for it. Try it for 21 days and feel it for yourself. Section 5, why this works, science plus Ayurveda. Here's what makes navel oiling so effective. Your belly button is connected to the body's internal network through fine capillaries. Applying warm oil stimulates the vagus nerve, which governs rest, digestion, and hormone regulation. As the oil absorbs, it nourishes your gut lining, calms inflammation, and promotes hormonal balance naturally. In Ayurveda, this is called snehana, nourishing the tissues through oiling. Science now supports it too, linking topical oils to improved skin health, nervous system function, and gut wellness. Section 6, what if you miss a day? Real talk. Life happens. If you miss a day, just pick up where you left off. This isn't about perfection. It's about consistency. Like watering a plant, a little every day adds up to real growth. Section 7, a real story. Let me share a story about a client of mine, Sarah. She struggled with bloating, irregular periods, and breakouts. Despite eating clean, nothing seemed to help. I recommended the 21-day navel oiling ritual. By the second week, her digestion smoothed out, her skin started glowing, and her PMS symptoms eased. Now, she oils her navel regularly, just like brushing her teeth. It's become a small act of daily healing. Section 8, your 21-day challenge. Now it's your turn. Choose your oil. Commit to 21 days. Take a before photo. You'll want to see the changes. Track how you feel. Monitor your skin, your digestion, your mood. You'll likely be amazed by what shifts when you nourish your body from the center out. Drop comments if you're ready to try it. Tag someone who needs to see this. Let's reclaim your health, one drop at a time. You don't need complicated products or routines. All you need is a few drops of nature's wisdom and your navel. Start your 21-day journey today. Your body already knows how to heal. Let's give it what it needs.